Hi, I'm David Clemon on behalf of Expert Village, and today we are going to paint a wooden food tray. So now that we've got the bananas, we're going to put a couple of red delicious apples in here. And actually, I'm going to put one red delicious apple, and then just kind of mix the red here. I'm just going to come in, and I put a little bit of black in there for like a dark red delicious apple, and then I'm just going to loosely fill this in. And I'm actually putting a lot of paint here because a bright ripe apple is really enticing and has a lot of life in it, so I'm just going to kind of put a lot of paint here and make that apple pop out. And then for the stem, you can just take a little dollop of brown and just come in here, and if you want, it's super fresh, you can take a little bit of green over here and just get the little leaves and add that in there. And that is painting the apple.